Say goodbye to uneven temperatures. This West Haven Townhome's HVAC system does it all. It starts with two thermostats, one on the main floor and one on the second floor. The thermostats don't just tell the system when to turn on, they tell the system where to send the warm and cold air. The system controls the airflow with that little device right there. It's called an actuator, and it controls a dampener that directs the warm and cold air to the main floor and second floor. The outcome to this system is comfort and energy savings. Comment the word info if you'd like more information about this townhome in West Haven.